I'm Heather, and this is my puppy, Banni. He's 5 months old, and he brought some of his friends today as well. So we're excited to read you this book. It's called How Do You See the World? A book of mindful choices by Banni Bunting with illustrations by Teafly Peterson. These people are both in our community, which is pretty cool. Very nice. All right, feelings with all the glasses. How do you see the world? Sometimes I ask myself this question because I am curious, and asking questions helps me understand better. So when you look around, how does the world look to you? Sometimes when I look around, it's like I am seeing the world through different colored glasses. When I feel sad, the world looks dark, like I am wearing glasses with dull gray lenses. Nothing seems right. I don't like this feeling inside of me. It is like time is standing still. I am stuck, feeling lonely and lost. Even the funniest joke can't make me laugh. Other times, I feel happy as if I am wearing glasses with shiny yellow lenses. Everything is sunny and bright. The view is beautiful, and I feel hopeful. Smiling is easy and feels good on my face. Nothing can bring me down. But oh, my glasses can change quickly, and I don't even know why. Something that didn't bother me yesterday suddenly makes me frustrated. I see the world through bright red lenses. I am mad. Everything moves so quickly, speeding by, and I can't slow down. When I see red, it is impossible to keep my cool. I say the wrong things, I do the wrong things, and then I get in trouble. I feel out of control. Then my glasses change yet again. Now I feel confident, as if I am looking through vibrant orange lenses. I feel strong, knowing anything is possible. I feel alive. But then other times I feel calm and content, like I am looking at the world through crystal clear glasses. It's easy to see, it is easy to be. Everything makes sense, and nothing seems to bother me. I feel confident and comfortable in my own skin. I see clearly. Oops. Being still and looking through these crystal clear glasses, I start to get it. I begin to understand that there are many ways of seeing the world, not just through different colored lenses. I realize there might be a different type of lens, a lens that can help me with all my many feelings, not so lost in color, not so overwhelmed by emotions. Maybe this different lens can help me with whatever I'm feeling, whether it's good or bad. So that's generosity, compassion, courage, patience, and respect. She's little birdies on her head. Teafly is so creative. Kindness. Banni, come read kindness with us. Maybe I could choose to see the world through a lens of kindness. Being kind to myself and others helps me feel happy even when I am sad, reminding me that I belong. Looking through a lens of kindness, I feel closer to everyone, even people I don't know. Kindness changes my view of the world and reminds me of how we are meant to treat one another. Can you guys remember one of the recent time that you showed kindness? How about gratitude? Or maybe I could choose to see the world through a lens of gratitude. Gratitude helps me feel thankful for all the good things in my life rather than worrying about the bad. Gratitude helps me appreciate the things I don't always stop to notice. Looking through a lens of gratitude helps me see the world differently, in a more appreciative way. Forgiveness. Or maybe I could choose to see the world through a lens of forgiveness. I can learn to forgive myself and others for not being perfect and making mistakes. Knowing mistakes are a part of being human. Forgiveness teaches me that I don't always have to take things personally. It helps me remember my own goodness and see the goodness in others. I might even consider that forgiveness is as much a gift to myself as it is to others, helping me feel at peace in the world. Empathy. Or maybe I could choose to see the world through a lens of empathy. Empathy helps me relate to the feelings of others, putting myself in their shoes. Looking through the lens of empathy, I can begin to see our similarities rather than focusing on our differences. Wait a minute, we're missing one lens, and it might be the most important one of all. What about love? Could we choose to see the world through our own hearts? What would happen then? Would we feel more connected to one another? Would choosing a lens of love bring us closer together? I am curious, what happens when you're mindful and notice the lens that you choose? Ooh, let's see what all these creatures are saying. So when they're mindful and they notice the lens that they choose, this one slows down. I slow down and notice. I am open-minded. I am my own best friend. This one's thinking about love. This one says, I am kind. I am patient and understanding. I am happy. I am curious. I hear you. I see you. I am forgiving. I am compassionate. And I see our sameness. So, which lens will you choose? How will you see our world? The end.